This Mother's Day, show your love and care with a gift of a cooler, more comfortable home. You probably don't realize that the air inside your home can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside. This is because, when your home is closed up, all of the stale, dirty air circulates and gets trapped. Without ventilation, you're stuck with a house that smells bad and feels uncomfortable. Whole House Fan Company offers you an affordable and the most advanced solution. The Whisper Quiet Whole House Fan, installed by Whole House Fan Company, will quietly replace the air in your home at a rate of 15 to 20 times per hour, resulting in cooler, quieter, and healthier air quality. Because every mom deserves a gift of love, this Mother's Day, save $300 off on Whole House Fan installation. Hurry! This special promo is available for a limited time only. Visit Whole House Fan Company, socal.com/sc to get your free in-home estimate.